10 animals who see this world differently than us. Humans are indeed more powerful than animals in many ways. But did you know that animals have a very different point of view of seeing things than how we see them? Today, we are going to inform you about those animals who see this world differently than us. Number 1. Dogs. Humans have 3 types of cells to identify colors, which are called cones, while dogs only have 2 cells. That is why dogs identify only yellow, blue, and ultraviolet colors. Pigments of the cone have a wavelength, so the dogs only see due to pigment. Like humans, dogs are not able to see various types of colors. Many people think that dogs can only see black and white colors, but that is not correct. Number 2. Giant clams. Giant clams don't have only 2 eyes, but they have 100 eyes, and it is situated on the corner of his body. Their eyes are in the shape of tea's cup, and it's a very narrow layer. The interesting thing is that there is no lens in their eyes. They are very sensitive about the 3 colors, but they are unable to capture any kind of information from it. It means they can see the colorful image but fail to identify it. Number 3. Jumping spiders. Jumping spiders are like normal spiders, but the main difference is that they can move very quickly, as they have a high range of views. Like any other spiders, they also have 8 eyes. The front eyes of jumping spiders are very important, and they can see details of anything through them. Through the back eyes, they can see the peripheral vision and feel the motion detection. Jumping spiders can see more colors than any of us because their eyes have more pigments than our eyes. Number 4. Bees. If you have watched bee movies, then you must know the importance of bees. We are sure that you must not know everything about bees, but did you know that they have thousands of eyes? Like many insects, the bee also has compound eyes. Every eye works differently and sees in different directions. That is why they can see a wider angle in comparison to humans. Bees can view 300 pictures per second, while we humans can only see 65 images per second. Number 5. Cats. Have you ever noticed that the color of cats' eyes look different in pictures and in real life? This happens due to tapetum lucidum, which is a reflective layer behind the retina, which reflects the light of the camera. Due to tapetum lucidum, the cats can see clearly at night in comparison to the day. Number 6. Flies. Flies can't see all colors, but this vision is very broad, and they see all the images in music form. Every time flies can run from our hit, as they see everything in very slow motion. According to research, flicker time for every animal is different. Number 7. Snakes. Snakes never see colors, and they spend most of their life underground, and their eyes are very small as they can only differentiate light and dark. But snakes who live on the ground have very good eyesight, and they can see anything in detail. Number 8. Cows. Most of the cows see very few colors, as they're not able to see red, green, and most of the time, they're not able to see gray and black color. They can also see the yellow and blue color to a limit. The cows have a panoramic vision, so that they can see everywhere without shaking their head. The cows just need to move their eyeballs to see around 300 degrees. Number 9. Birds. The capacity for watching anything is very important for the birds, as you don't want to hit anything when you are flying above 50 feet. Unlike other animals, the eyes of birds are bigger. The birds have 4 types of cones, and they can also see ultraviolet spectrum. This spectrum also helps them to identify urine, as this is phosphorus in rich quantities. Number 10. Horses. Horses' eyes are bigger than any other land mammals, as their eyes are on the sides so they can see better than cows. They can see around 350 degrees without moving their head. A horse can only see 2 colors, blue and green. This is the main reason behind their training to jump over obstacles, as more inflammatory colors are used. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.